Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look about some interesting facts. Before we look into some interesting facts, I want to ask you a question. Do you all know which is the happiest country in the world? The happiest country in the world is Bhutan. The people who live in the Bhutan were the happiest person in the world ever. And do we all want to know why, right? So let's get started. In all the other countries, the success rate of the country was measured by GDP, which is gross domestic production. That is, they usually rank their country by using GDP. But in the Bhutan, they don't even have GDP and they don't want to measure their country's success using GDP and they don't even have GDP there. Instead of that, they had GNP, which is gross national happiness. In Bhutan, they take a poll every day from each and every person in the Bhutan and measure their happiness rate. They used a questionnaire for it and they measure the happiness rate of each person in the Bhutan, which literally made them very happy in the world. And then we also want to know what are the other reasons, right? Before we know what are the other reasons, the results of the questionnaire disclosed that 72% of the people in the Bhutan are very happy. That is extremely happy in the world, and just 3.3% people are literally very sad. And now let's know some interesting facts. The facts are, the first one is they usually take a poll, that is they measure the success rate and the happiness rate of a people each and every day. That is one of the main important reason why these people are very happy. And the second reason is Bhutan is a democratic country, but even though they had a king, if some people in the Bhutan, if they had any financial issues or if they had any other issues, they just go to the king and the king will give them a piece of land. And he will just tell them, you can cultivate whatever you want, vegetables or whatever you want, it's your own wish, and make yourself richer. So Bhutan don't even have any beggars in the world. That is, in the country there are no beggars. And then the third reason is education is free in Bhutan. That is, right up to LKG to 10th standard, the education system is free for everyone, even for the public or private school, even for the best schools in the Bhutan, the education system is totally free up to 10th. And then the fourth important fact is there are no traffic signal lights in Bhutan, and each and everyone in the Bhutan will follow the rules perfectly, and they don't even have any traffic police at all. And then the fifth reason is, we already told you about the education system, right? That they have free education system, and even though in the free education system they mostly inculcate the values and they give importance to values more than the skills. Most of their day will be fulfilled with a spiritual and meditation way, and they inculcate values in the students than the skills. But here we go on telling the students to work hard for the marks rather than inculcating the values. And then the medical facilities. The medical care is totally free for everyone in the Bhutan. That is one of the most important fact in the Bhutan. Bhutans don't even have army or air force because Indian army is the one who is protecting the Bhutan. And then finally, one of the most important thing is Bhutan is negative carbon. That is, they don't even have carbon there. It's not like they don't even have carbon, but they grow 60% of trees, but now it is 72% of trees. The Bhutan is being covered with 72% of trees. So they have a negative carbon there. And then one of the most interesting fact in the Bhutan was they don't celebrate birthdays there. Most of the people's birthday were Jan 1. They celebrate Jan 1 as their birthday. They don't even have the birth date and they don't even celebrate the birthdays there. And even the king's birthday, that is the Bhutan's king birthday, has been celebrated like they don't even give anything, that is they don't even give gifts to someone. And they just, what happened was, for the king's birthday, they just planted 1 lakh trees in the Bhutan. So they don't even gift to anyone. Instead, they give something important, that is planting or something else. And then one of the most important fact is, in Bhutan till 1999 there was no internet. After that only, in some places only they have some internet facilities even now, and they don't even know about the Western sites, and even now they don't even care about the Western cultures. Even now the foreigners who goes there, they will follow their own culture and don't even involve in the Western cultures. And the final important fact was, in Bhutan they are not allowed to smoke. There is no smoking, and they are not allowed to cultivate any tobaccos there, tobacco plant. Why? Because even if the foreigners come to Bhutan, they need to pay an extra 100% charge, and then in some hotels they have some special rooms for them to smoke, but not in all the other places. But for the citizen of the Bhutan are not even allowed to smoke. So there is no smoking, and the people in the Bhutan were very healthy and happier. So these are some of the important facts of Bhutan. I hope you all love these facts. Thank you so much.